Surprisingly, eggs might be the hidden culprit behind some serious health issues for seniors, and I'm here to break it down for you. As we age, our dietary choices become more crucial than ever. What we eat can significantly impact our health, energy levels, and overall quality of life. For seniors, it's essential to be mindful of what we consume daily. Eggs are a staple in many households, but have you ever stopped to think about their impact on your health? Are they as harmless as they seem, or is there more to the story? Understanding our food choices is vital as we grow older. Our bodies undergo various changes, and what works for us in our younger years might not work as well in our golden years. Let's talk about eggs and their health implications for seniors. This is a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly important. When it comes to eggs and cholesterol levels, there's a lot of conflicting information out there. You might have heard that eggs are bad for your heart due to their high cholesterol content. This concern is especially pertinent for seniors, as heart health becomes a top priority with age. High cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The American Heart Association once recommended limiting dietary cholesterol to 300 milligrams per day. Since eggs have about 186 milligrams of cholesterol per large egg, it seemed like a straightforward equation. Fewer eggs equal better heart health. However, recent studies have started to challenge this straightforward approach. Some research suggests that dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. The relationship between eggs, cholesterol, and heart health isn't as clear-cut as it seems. Dietary cholesterol's impact on blood cholesterol levels is more complex, involving various factors including overall diet and individual health conditions. Despite these findings, seniors still need to be cautious. While eggs might not be as directly linked to heart health issues as once believed, they are still high in cholesterol. So what's a senior to do? Should you cut eggs out of your diet entirely, or can you continue enjoying them in moderation? Eggs are a significant source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're nutritious and can be part of a healthy diet if consumed wisely. Recent research has provided more insight into how eggs affect cholesterol and heart health, especially in older adults. Some studies suggest that for healthy seniors, eating eggs in moderation may not significantly impact heart health. In fact, eggs are a good source of protein, which is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as we age. They also contain various vitamins and minerals like B12, vitamin D, and selenium, which are essential for overall health. However, it's also important to consider the way we prepare eggs. Adding cheese, bacon, or butter can significantly increase the calorie and saturated fat content. The key takeaway is balance. If you're a senior who loves eggs, you don't necessarily need to cut them out completely. It's about making informed choices and understanding your individual health needs. The latest findings suggest that eggs can be part of a healthy diet for seniors when eaten in moderation. Studies have shown mixed results, but most agree that for most seniors, eggs won't have a drastic impact on health. However, individual factors such as existing health conditions or overall diet quality play a significant role. So what does this mean for you? It's essential to talk to your doctor or a nutritionist about what's best for your specific situation. In conclusion, while eggs do contain cholesterol and have been linked to heart health concerns, the story is more nuanced. Moderation is key. Being informed and mindful of your overall diet can help you enjoy eggs while maintaining your health. If you're concerned about your heart health or dietary choices, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Your health journey is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. We'd love to hear about your experiences with eggs and how they fit into your diet. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on healthy eating for seniors.